From Studio 3C in Rockefeller Center, this is News 4 New York.
There is another key development to tell you about. We are a step closer to a COVID vaccine for children. Today, Pfizer put in an emergency request to the FDA to authorize its vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. But a committee won't discuss that request until later this month. News 4's Linda Becerra live in White Plains to tell us more about this today. Linda.
And David, 28 million children in the U.S. could soon be eligible for the COVID vaccine now that studies on children ages 5 to 11 are being reviewed by the FDA. A big step today to protect millions more against the coronavirus. This morning, Pfizer and BioNTech asked the FDA to authorize their COVID vaccine for emergency use among children 5 to 11 years old.
I think it's great. I think that it's time.
I'm not sure what to think because they're so young. You know, that's an age bracket that's very vulnerable to getting side effects from stuff like that.
Dr. Rafael Torres is with White Plains Hospital and spearheads their vaccination program.
We're thinking that the dose is going to be about a third of what we've been traditionally using up until this point.
Dr. Torres says the study group was small, about 3,000 children, but he's confident about the shot's safety.
There's some concern about the side effects, myocarditis or pericarditis. Again, very rare side effect, no deaths associated with it. This vaccine is safe. It's going to protect our children.
Approval could be a game changer in how schools will look, but there's some vaccine hesitancy among parents.
Although we have authorization for those 12-year-olds and older, only about 50% of those kids are actually getting vaccinated or who have had one dose.
I happen to be a special ed teacher. All of my students can't wear their masks, so it'll be good when everyone can be vaccinated.
I think it's a good thing. I think anything we can do to protect the kids and help them get back to the normalcy that they need to thrive in school, I think it's a great thing.
The advisory committee for the FDA is tentatively meeting October 26th. From there, they'll make a recommendation to the FDA and then finally the CDC. The timeline is somewhere between October 26th and Thanksgiving.
So in just the next few weeks ahead, and Pfizer says it expects to have data for children under 5 later this fall. And if that goes before the FDA, and of course, if that gets approved, that means doctors are telling me we could be seeing vaccines for children 6 months and up by early next year. Live from in front of White Plains Hospital, I'm Linda Becerra, News 4 New York. Back to you.
All right, Linda, thank you.